Brad Williams, XL Prime. How about we look at the area of a parallelogram? A what? A crooked rectangle. How's that? Let's look at this image. We have a parallelogram. Here's your parallelogram. It is a rectangle that's a little bent to the left or bent to the right. What's the area of the parallelogram? It's B times C, or base times height. What's base? Base. Height. A equals B times H. Look over here on the right. Determine the area of a parallelogram, base times height. We have XL's multiplication operator can be used with a standard formula to calculate the area of a parallelogram. Here's the formula. If you want to know area, here we're looking at this entire thing here. Area, 2 times 4.5, the area is 9. If it's inches, and if this is 2.5 inches by 8 inches, we have base. Let's say base is 11. Let's say base is 5, and height is 11. The area will be 55. If this is centimeters or inches or feet, the area would be 55. What's the area? It's this. Everything in blue. Parallelogram is a 4-sided quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel sides. Parallel, these are parallel. That means they equal each other. The top and the bottom equal each other. The sides equal each other. Quadrilateral. The lengths of the opposite sides of a parallelogram are identical, and the opposite angles have the same measurement in Euclidean geometry. You remember geometry? No. The area enclosed by a parallelogram is defined as area equals B times H. If you need to brush up on this, well, bust out your geometry book. Anyway, that's pretty much an overview. We're not going to get into geometry, and we're not going to delve into algebra in this tutorial. This is just an overview of the tools available within Excel. If you need to see the math here, B11 times C11. That's it. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks.